Hi, we're the California Homestead.
I'm Matthew.
I'm Joy.
And I'm Mark.
And today we'll be working in our garden. We'll be laying down new organic soil, planting seeds, and planting tomato and basil plants. So come with me, Matthew, and Mark as we do those things.
So here we have the bags of soil, and now we're going to spread it in the garden.
Right here, we're going to plant some watermelon seeds.
Now we're going to plant some pumpkins here. We're going to just make holes all the way down to the pipe right there. And so, yeah.
You gotta make 1 inch deep. The holes, 1 inch deep for the pumpkins. The watermelons were 1/2 inch.
So make them kind of deep.
About like a foot apart. We already had planted some squash here, but it didn't grow that well, so we're gonna try it again. So he's going to make holes all the way down this row here, and it's going to be all pumpkins. And then when the pumpkins grow, then we're going to try to make some pumpkin pie with the pumpkins. So he's just making holes all the way down here, and then we got to put some seeds in all these holes he made. So he has the seeds in his hands. Are you putting seeds in the hole as you go down?
No. There's a packet up there.
Okay, so let's grab some seeds. So maybe we can start backwards, start from the bottom and go to the top once you're done there. He's almost done, he just has to go to the end. So yeah, we have a lot of pumpkin seeds. We might have to save some. There's probably just too many seeds. There we go, there's a couple more and then that's all. Alright, so now let's put some seeds in.
Seeds here. Just toss one in each hole.
And I'll go behind him and cover it. And when we're done planting all these seeds, then we'll turn on the sprinklers and have them get water. Alright, now we're done planting squash. Now let's go plant some zucchini.
Now we're going to plant some
zucchini, yellow squash, and zucchini.
Alright. Okay, so
zucchini and yellow squash. That's where we're planting next. to be planting some tomato plants. We have about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 8 tomato plants. There's already a couple planted over there. And then they're just taking off the wrapper off the last one. And then we're going to be planting these that are left. Can you please read off the kinds so we can see what kind of...
This is the super sweet tomato.
That one's a super sweet tomato.
The big beef
That one's called a big beef.
boy. Pork swooper. I'm not so sure. Big boy.
And then that one's called the big boy.
And the yellow pear.
And then one tomato plant is called the tomato, the yellow pear. Is that what you said? It's the yellow pear. So now let's dig some holes and plant these guys. Now that we're done planting all of our seeds, we're going to be planting our basil. This is a sweet basil, and we're going to be planting it right here next to our romaine lettuce. We're just going to make a hole right here, enough for the pot to go in. Then we just take off the plastic. This is like a soil pot, so all I had to do was take off the plastic. These are really nice, and then you just stick them right into the ground. Just put the dirt around them. Then there, that one's done. And then we have this one. It's the same thing, it's sweet basil. And we're going to be planting it above this one right here. So I'm going to be taking off this plastic. Alright, now that I got the plastic off, I am going to dig a hole right here next to the spinach. Dig a hole. And just gonna put the pot in a little deeper. And then just put the pot in, get the dirt and put it around. And there, we're done. Thank you for helping me. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and to subscribe.
I'm Matthew.
I'm Joy. And I'm Mark. And we're the California Homestead fam. You have a